Hi, great day. I'm Josephus R. Tubile, took a Bachelor Science of Criminology from National College of Science and Technology. Former intern of Bureau of Jail Management and Penology and Philippine National Police. While I was there in BGMP, they taught me always to be alert and socialize with people. In PNP, they taught me how to process NPC. My skills and experience are not only suitable in campus, but only flexible in working industry. I would like to be part of your department because the opportunity for growth and advance, and I'm eager to learn new skills and take on new challenges for me. Thank you, and that's all.